Hi guys, Big Monday here, and today I have a demonstration for you of how to get your live YouTube chat into your OBS live streams. So I'm using OBS Studio for this. Now, the problem with getting live chat in your video streams is to do that with OBS. We use a browser source plugin to display the live chat, and what most people find is you set up the live chat and then it stops working and you have to set it up again. Now, every single time you start streaming, your live chat gets a different URL. So what you have to do every single time you want your chat in your stream is you start streaming, you go get the URL, you put the URL into the browser source plugin in OBS Studio, and it's just not practical to do because every time you can't set up multiple scenes because you just have to change every scene individually. It gets a pain in the backside. So I'm going to show you how to do it, and I've made a little tool to help here, and I'll show you how to set this up. So the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need the URL that you are live at. Now, if you have a clean URL, this is going to be youtube.com/c/your channel name /live. If you don't know what it is, go to your YouTube Creator Studio, go to live streaming and stream now, and at the bottom of the page will be the link to your live page. Now, just a little warning: if you are unlisted, it won't update here, but if I set this to unlisted and just refresh the page, it will give you this unique URL. You don't want that. It's not going to work properly like that. So make sure your privacy is set to public, and then refresh the page to make sure you get this URL. And here is your URL. So we can copy that, or we can go to view on watch page, but I'm going to copy it. I'm going to open it in a new tab just to show you guys how it works. So new tab, and we open a new tab and we go to that page, and that's going to show us our live stream. Now, in my case, I'm not streaming right now because I'm using OBS to record instead. But just to show you, that's your live page. So that's the URL you're going to want first. So we'll copy that URL. It should be https://gaming.youtube.com/c/bigmonmulgrew/live. Now we should save that. So let's just open Notepad and we'll save that. We'll put that in Notepad. Now, it's possible to get other channels. Please get their permission first, but it's possible to get multiple channels chat in your stream at once. So we're going to pick any random channel just to demonstrate this. Let's take this, guys. Notice I'm not clicking on the title. I'm clicking on the channel name, and then we go to /live. Now, you could have got to the /live page usually if you'd clicked on the title, but sometimes what it does if you click on the title is it takes you to the unique page for that particular stream, and you don't want that. You want this generic one. So once we've got the live page, we're gonna copy that URL, and that's the second channel we're gonna want in our stream. So let me put everything on the right side of my monitor here. So then, now you can do this straight into the URL box in OBS, but you might want to test it in a browser first. So we're going to go to this web address here. We're going to go to bigmonday.co.uk/p/chat.php?channel equals. And the bit that comes after the channel equals is the bit you got from your first step, the URL that you are live at. So channel equals, and we'll put that in, and you'll get a brief flash of white and loading, and then it will bring up your chat. If I do another window and I do the same thing, so I do bigmonday.co.uk/p /YouTube_chat p?channel equals, and then I paste. I'm going to copy and paste the one from the other channel, that one there. you notice it redirects to a different URL. So that's just to make sure it works. So let's get the first one. So the first one was the one for our channel is I'll demonstrate with my channel. So it's bigmonday.co.uk/p/youtube_chat.php ? Channel and then the URL that you are live at. So we're going to copy that, and then we're going to go into OBS, and we're going to add a browser source. Any old browser source, and I'm just going to move this so you can see it. Make sure I do everything on the right side of the screen. And in our URL box, we're going to paste that URL. Now, pay attention to the start. Make sure it has the HTTP on it. Then it's ://bigmonday.co.uk/p/youtube_chat.php ? And then your channel. Now, before we do anything else, let's just press OK and make sure it loads in. So there we go. We've loaded in. We have our live chat. So the next thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to style the chat. So to style the chat, we're going to go to a website. I'm going to make this half screen so you can see it behind the chat, behind the window. And we're going to go to this website, https://chatv2.septipus.com, and I'll put that in the description so you can link straight to it. And what it's going to do is you've got settings along the left hand side which allow you to change the font size and color and all those sort of things. And at the very bottom is a set of CSS, and the CSS reflects all the settings you put in. So have a play about, get a font you like, get colors you like. You could have transparent backgrounds like this, or we can have a blue background or whatever, but I'm going to leave it default for now. So I'm going to go down to the CSS. I'm going to press Control A and then Control C to copy it. I'm going to go back to OBS. And I'm going to open the properties on my browser source plugin, and I'm going to select all the CSS at the bottom and delete it, and press Ctrl V to paste everything into that box, and we press OK, and our chat will get rethemed, which now it looks nice. So if I change the scene now, just to demonstrate. Change to the one that I made for my Dota videos. So this is how I've set one up. So I would have the game window on the right hand side here, and the other one in game, whereas I had the chat come up just in one corner of the game down here. So you can actually set these up differently for different scenes, but critically, every time you start a stream, it will automatically pick up your the new version, the new chat. So it's gonna apply to the correct chat every single time. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you found this useful. I'm going to put a link to the guide page on OBS and the discussion page. So go there if you're having any problems with this, or you've got any questions, any feedback, and so on. Thanks for watching. Hit me a sub, a like, or whatever. Thanks, guys. Bye bye.